Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an epic battle between two of the most powerful gaming laptops on the market, the MSI TITAN GT77 and the Alienware M18. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, or just someone who wants the best performance, this video is for you. So, let's get right into it. But before we jump into the details, if you're already interested in either of these laptops, make sure to check out the links in the description below. We've got all the latest deals and offers lined up for you, so don't miss out. Let's start with the design and build quality. The MSI TITAN GT77 has a sleek, aggressive look with RGB lighting that screams gamer. It's built like a tank with a robust metal chassis, ensuring durability. On the other hand, the Alienware M18 is no slouch either. It sports a futuristic design with customizable lighting zones and a premium feel. However, it's slightly bulkier, so if portability is a concern, you might lean towards the MSI. Next up, let's talk about the display. The MSI TITAN GT77 boasts a stunning 4K 144Hz display, offering sharp visuals and smooth gameplay. It's perfect for gamers who want the ultimate visual experience. Meanwhile, the Alienware M18 features a 165Hz QHD display, providing a great balance between resolution and refresh rate. Both displays are top tier, but if you're after ultra-high resolution, the MSI takes the lead. Now, onto performance, where these beasts truly shine. The MSI TITAN GT77 is powered by Intel's latest i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 4090 GPU. This combination delivers insane performance, whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or rendering 4K videos. The Alienware M18, equipped with a similar i9 processor and RTX 4090, also delivers top-notch performance. However, MSI's superior cooling system gives it a slight edge in maintaining peak performance over longer gaming sessions. Moving on to the keyboard and audio experience. The MSI TITAN GT77 features a mechanical keyboard with Cherry MX switches, offering a tactile and satisfying typing experience. The Alienware M18, on the other hand, has a customizable RGB keyboard that's also great but may not match the mechanical feel of the MSI. In terms of audio, both laptops have excellent speakers with immersive sound quality, but the Alienware has slightly deeper bass. Battery life is often a compromise with gaming laptops, and these two are no exception. The MSI TITAN GT77 offers decent battery life for its class, but you'll likely need to keep it plugged in during intense gaming. The Alienware M18, due to its larger size, manages to squeeze out a bit more battery life, making it the better choice if you're frequently on the go. Finally, let's talk about price and value. Both of these laptops come with a hefty price tag, but you're paying for the best of the best. The MSI TITAN GT77 is slightly more expensive, but you get what you pay for with its superior cooling and mechanical keyboard. The Alienware M18 offers excellent value as well, especially if you're looking for a slightly more affordable option without compromising too much on performance. So, which one should you choose? If you're after the ultimate gaming experience with top-tier features and don't mind the price, the MSI TITAN GT77 is the way to go. But if you want a powerful, slightly more portable option, the Alienware M18 is an excellent choice. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more tech comparisons, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you want to learn more about these laptops, check out the links in the description below. See you in the next one.